Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel. Welcome to my channel. So what we are talking about today is the new Juvias Place blushes. These are really popular right now and they're selling out very quickly. I was able to get my hands on the 3 colors that was out. The ones that I wanted online on juviasplace.com was sold out. So I did get them from my local Ulta store, but I will tell you, I didn't purchase everything in a collection because some of the colors I knew that I wasn't going to wear, so I didn't want to waste my money on them. I just picked up shades that I felt like would be best for what I do every day for makeup. So we're going to be testing them. We're going to swatch them. I'm going to tell you my true and honest opinion of them. So if you're interested in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. And we're just going to jump straight into this review. All right, so the first shade that I picked up, I got, well, I'll just tell you the 3 colors. I got Peach Rose, Pink Lady, and Blush Lily. So if you're familiar with this specific blush duo, then a lot of people are comparing the Pink Lady and the Blush Lily to these 2 specific colors. One of these retails for $18, which is pretty much the same exact price of this, only you get 2 powdered blushes. I use this almost every single day outside of like Dior blush. So let's just try the Blush Lily. So this is a blush that has a purple-ish kind of undertone to it. So right off the bat, let's see. So it's got like that really bubblegum pink kind of tone to it. If you have an eye for color and stuff, you can see the blue that's like in this. The formula of it is very creamy. From the swatches that I've seen online, a little bit of this product definitely goes a long way. And then some of them also stain. So next we're gonna try the blush. No, we're gonna try the Pink Lady. So in comparison, of course, this one, to me, this one has like that Barbie pink kind of shade. And they don't smell like anything, which is really good. They don't smell like chemically or anything. But yeah, that is really pink, very Barbie-esque. So I want to say that you can use these on your lips. You can use these, I don't know if I would put them on my eyes, but you can definitely use them on your lips. You can use them on your cheeks. You can get so many wears out of this. And again, both of these have that bluish kind of undertone to it. And this is staining my fingers already. I'm trying to wipe them off on this little makeup wipe that I have right here. So that tells me that once these set, it's going to stay on all day. And then the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Peach Rose. We're gonna swatch this. So this one has like a really pretty peachy, orangey undertone to it. So that is the Peach Rose. More or less a coral kind of color to me. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna try to wipe these off and see what happens. Look at that. So that lets you know these didn't even fully dry on my hand yet, and they are still there. So these are the shades that I got. It comes in an array of different colors. They brought something out for every single skin tone. But what I want to try on today is I'm going to try on the Pink Lady because I've seen this one and it looks divine. Let me find a brush. All right, so I'm going to use my Sigma F05 brush. All right, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, and then let's just, because I know how these stain, let's just work on this side first. So, wow. Ooh wee. when I say a little, honey, I mean a little. Don't you get in there putting a whole lot of this blush on, because geez Louise, it is extremely pigmented, but the color, to me, the color is so super pretty. And even like a highlighter on top of this would be gorgeous as well. And I've seen a lot of people take this specific blush palette and they go in and pop more on top, but that's just too much. That's too much blush for me. So I think I'm just gonna do one dot on this side. That is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty, but it is so pigmented. I have a wet beauty blender. Where is it? Although that is pretty to me, that is not how I want my blush to be, like that intense. So I think a wet beauty blender, as you can see, is going to start blending it in a little bit better and taking off some of that color. So these are going to last you a very, very long time. I think they're great for just everyday wear. So as you can see, that is super pretty. And then I'm just gonna go back in and I'm just gonna pretty much finish the rest of my makeup, because I just have to add powders and stuff, and I will be right back. All right, so I did a little bit of contouring and whatnot. So the blush to me is a really good buy. I feel like the formula is really good. It's very creamy, very blendable. As you can see, the swatch test, they are still on my hand. So these are really, really good quality, super pigmented. I feel like for $18, I don't think that's bad, because there's some other blushes on the market that hold a retail value of $20+. And if you get them from Ulta, you can always save you $3 by using one of the coupons. And if you have points, you can do that as well. Or if you don't live in an area with Ulta, Juvias Place is always having sale. That is my review on these blushes. I hope that you guys like them, because I love them. I feel like just the swatches alone have me sold. I might pick up other colors, but right now these are the ones I think are going to be best suited for my skin. So that's it, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so there's going to be a lot of fun stuff planned for you guys. And I will see you in my next video. If you get any of these blushes, please drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know which ones you chose. Maybe you got one that I didn't get, and maybe it's worth a try and I need to get it. So let me know. I will talk to you guys later.